But first, let me go to the grocery store and I'll tell you a little bit more about my hamburger.
These are our green chili hamburgers. Ooh, yum.
Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Hey, I'm here at my local grocery store. I got a few items I want to pick up for this collab. I'm super excited. I'm going to make a green chili hamburger. What up? On this Burger Wars collab with Celtic Lacey. That's Colette. I'll talk about her a little bit more later. This is an easy hamburger recipe that can be tweaked in so many ways. I've made about 3 different versions so far. Don't worry, I'll have the core recipe in the description box below for you to see. In a large bowl, place 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef or ground turkey, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add a 7-ounce can of diced green chili, hot or mild, your choice. My mom, Queen G, doesn't like it too spicy, so I use mild. But between you and I would have liked to use the hot green chili. A 1/2 cup of finely chopped white onion. I had some left over to garnish at the end. Or you can also use red onion if preferred to garnish as well. Anything goes with this easy recipe. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. That's it. Then mix well. In the past, I had added a 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce and a 1/2 cup of Shiseido sauce and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder to add additional flavor to this mixture. And then another time, I just added 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and 2 tablespoons of the Montreal steak seasoning to this mixture. I mean, anything goes really in this recipe. I've seen other recipes inserting cubes of cheese in this mixture. Yum! My mom, Queen G, gifted me this hamburger set as she was a sales rep for Tupperware way back then. I only started to use it like 3 years ago, no lie, and I love it ever since. It makes creating nice circular patties easier. Plus, it's pretty handy to store patties in the refrigerator all together, which, after making these patties, will let them chill at least for an hour or more if you have the time.
My chef jacket?
If you want. It is Hamburger Wars. This is just... Alright, got my sidekick here, Jay. AKA Dee's hubby. He likes to be referred to as the pit master. Anyway, you had to be there. We were joking around earlier, but anywho. Okay, so we're going to get the grill going, but I just want to let you guys know Colette and Rob are going to be grilling up their hamburgers, so we're gonna do the same over here, our style.
Okay, right now we're heating up the grill right now. I want to get it up to about 350 degrees. I like to use the wide blade spatula. Grab 2 burger patties at the same time. But you can see over here that Denise has already made up our hamburger patties.
Green chili hamburgers.
And they look amazing.
They've been in the refrigerator for a couple of hours now.
And we're going to be using our hamburger rolls that we got on sale somewhere, I'm sure. And then Sargento pepper jack cheese. I'm sure we got that on sale somewhere. We got 4 patties. The only thing I got to do is once I get them on the grill, I need to kind of fan them out a little bit. So I'm about 350 on my temperature. That's a good grilling temp. Internal temp, I want about 145, I believe what it is. And then it'll continue to cook a little bit.
Meanwhile, here's my garden.
Okay. So I'm going to prepare this first patty. I'm going to kind of smash it out a little bit in the middle.
And why are you doing that?
And I am doing that because what happens is the burger will start to shrink. That's why if you put it when it's real thick, it'll turn into like a flying saucer, I guess you can say. But if you kind of smash out the middle of it and press it out, as it shrinks, it'll still become flat. I'm going to throw it on the grill. There we go. Then I'm going to kind of flatten out the other side too a little bit.
Do the same.
I'm going to do the same to the second one. Kind of smash it out. Throw that one on the grill. I'm going to kind of do the same thing here. The third one, for all you golfers, a divot. And onto the grill we go. And I'm going to smash the other side out a little bit. And then last but not least, our last one. You can see all those peppers and you can see the onions. This ain't no Big Mac. It's going to be better than a Big Mac.
The ingredients, like I had, it's the green chili with the onions, chili powder, salt, black pepper, and a little bit of ground cumin. Now, you can heat it up a little bit more if you'd like. You can add the hot can of chili rather than the mild, or you can go with the mild green chili and then add the chili powder as much as you want, depending on how spicy you want it. And you can even go as far as like maybe adding jalapenos to this. You can really go anywhere you really want to take it far as heat and spice. But this is kind of like how we prefer, because I have Queen G. She doesn't like it too spicy, but then she kind of likes it in the medium like me. And I know there are some of you that do not like onions, so you can omit the onions if you prefer. Please subscribe if you like these type of videos. Oh, and give us a thumbs up.
So now what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting to see the meat to kind of sweat, like it is starting to sweat right in through there. Okay, so now I know that it is grilling pretty good. I'm probably sure I've got some good grill marks, but I want to look for all of the juices to start to come out a little bit. You know, I'd like to seal them in, but some of them are going to come out, and then we'll go ahead and flip them.
We're doing a collaboration with Colette from Celtic Lacey. Go check her out. Go check her out. She does amazing videos. She does vlogs. If you're into planning, she does planner videos.
Colette and I have been friends a long time here on YouTube, and I'm so happy that I joined her Burger Wars collab today. Make sure to check out her channel and their hamburgers after this video, and tell her that Dee sent you. Oh yeah.
First flip. Ooh. Nothing like summer with a good hamburger. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so since this is a smaller, thinner one for Queen G, we're going to add on the cheese.
Cheese on the first one.
Did you see that, folks? Or do we need to do a slow-mo? Just kidding. Queen G's burger.
There's the first one. The second one.
Good toasted buns, man.
Voila.
Yum!
Delicious.
That's good. That is definitely good.
I totally got the wrong macaroni salad. I got the one that says devil egg. I've never tried this before. So, Mom says it's good. Jay says it's good. Something different. I place a little bit of the mayonnaise on there. You can put whatever you want. If you want to add ketchup or whatever, we all decided that we just want to add a little bit more onions as a topping, mayo, and that's pretty much it. Oh my god, this is huge.
How's a half pounder?
Mixture of hamburger. It's good.